Inflation is something that affects every American retiree, especially as you near or enter retirement. It's not just about rising prices today, it's about how those price hikes erode your purchasing power over time, making it harder for you to maintain the same lifestyle you worked so hard for. If you're serious about protecting your retirement and ensuring your wealth isn't wiped out by inflation, you need a strategy, and I'm here to help you create one. In fact, thousands of Americans have already started taking proactive steps to shield their savings from inflation. One of the smartest moves? Gold IRAs. If you're interested in learning why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth, click the first link in the description for your free guide. It's the kind of information that can change the way you think about protecting your financial future, and if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you won't want to miss this. Now, let's dive into why inflation is such a threat to your retirement. The average inflation rate has hovered around 3% per year for decades, but we all know that it can surge higher unexpectedly. This means your savings lose value, and unless your money is working harder to outpace inflation, you're falling behind. Keeping your savings in a traditional savings account or relying on bonds might seem like safe options, but these often don't grow fast enough to beat inflation. They can even lose purchasing power over time. So what's the solution? Many retirees are moving to assets like stocks, but stocks are volatile, and they come with high risk. Plus, there's no guarantee that the stock market will outpace inflation year after year. If you want to minimize risk while still growing your wealth and protecting it from inflation, a gold IRA is by far the best option. Gold has been used for centuries as a hedge against inflation. While currencies fluctuate and stock markets rise and fall, gold tends to hold its value and can even increase during times of economic uncertainty. Here's why a gold IRA works so well. Unlike traditional IRAs that are tied to the stock market or the bond market, a gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold, a tangible asset that retains its value over time. This gives you a level of security that stocks and bonds simply can't provide. Plus, with a gold IRA, you're not subject to the volatility of the market. You're holding something that's proven its worth for thousands of years. Now, I know some people are hesitant to make the switch from traditional retirement accounts to a gold IRA. It's understandable, but the risk of not diversifying is far greater. You're essentially relying on the same systems that are being eaten away by inflation. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket, and that basket is getting smaller every year. If you're serious about diversifying your retirement and protecting it from inflation, a gold IRA is an essential part of your strategy. It's not just about growth, it's about preservation of wealth. And if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 mil plus in savings, this is a strategy you absolutely need to consider. Don't wait until it's too late. By taking action now and getting a gold IRA in place, you can safeguard your wealth and ensure that inflation doesn't eat away at your hard-earned savings. And again, if you're ready to get started, make sure to check out the free guide in the description. It's designed to give you all the information you need to take the next step, no matter where you're at in your retirement journey. To sum up, inflation is a real threat to your retirement, but you don't have to let it rob you of your financial future. With a gold IRA, you can protect your savings from the ravages of inflation while still growing your wealth in a secure, stable way. So if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k or even 5M plus in savings, don't wait. Click the first link in the description and start learning how you can protect your wealth today.